As the new year hits the ground, Xiaomi has announced its flagship, the Mi 11 Pro. So let's talk about it in this video. The Mi 11 Pro has got some coolest specifications on the planet so that it can be the segment of 2021 smartphone. Some coolest specifications are under-display front camera, 108 megapixel primary camera, a Snapdragon 888, which comes with 5G connectivity, the most powerful Snapdragon chip, carbon fiber, fine-tuned speakers, Dolby Atmos double firing. The display is curved on all sides, 120Hz refresh rate, OLED 6.8 inches Quad HD resolution. It got the best sounding speakers ever. Now, let's talk about the camera section. The rear camera consists of 4 cameras, primary one 108, ultra wide 13 megapixel, a macro camera of 5 megapixel, and it consists of a 2 megapixel depth camera. The BOM setup also consists of an LED flash. Talking about the rear camera, they have up to 8K of recording. Now, the front camera consists of 32 megapixel in-display camera, which can record up to 4K videos. Talking about the in-display cameras, they can't be seen throughout the screen, but they can see throughout the screen. Both the cameras will support OIS and Xiaomi inbuilt stabilization. That's good. The biggest advantage of 108 megapixel photos is the flexibility you have with cropping the image later. That means you can crop a 108 megapixel image and still have a high resolution enough for your picture to be uploaded on social media and any other platform. That's quite good. The Mi 11 Pro main camera is capable of periscopic zoom variety. That means it can zoom up to 120 times. Seems quite promising. So far, it is doing great on cameras. So now let's talk about the display section of the device. The Mi 11 Pro got AMOLED display of 6.67 inches. Talking about in centimeters, it's 16.94 centimeters. The pixels per inch in this device is quite good. It's 386. Not the best, but yeah, it's good. The Mi 11 Pro rumor said that it should expect to find the same exact screen size that the Mi 11 got. It got some decent looking curves on all the sides. That means the bezels on this Mi 11 Pro are quite less in comparison to other devices. The resolution on this device here, the resolution is top man. On this Mi 11 Pro, it got 1440 by 3200 resolution, which means you are looking at a Quad HD resolution display. That means it got a bundle of colors punching out of it. It got a 120Hz of refresh rate and a peak brightness up to 1500 nits. Talking about the 120Hz, here's a small comparison we got. The left side screen, you will see it's running on 120Hz and the right side screen is running on 24Hz. Clearly you can feel the difference. Now let's talk about the performance section. This beast is equipped with Snapdragon 888, which is the top best processor from Snapdragon. The octa-core Snapdragon 888 is equipped with one core of 64-bit Kryo 680 based on ARM Cortex-X1, clocked at up to 2.84 GHz. Quite good. It also got liquid cooling, which helps the device to be cool on playing heavy-duty games or just using heavy tasks. The device also got 12GB of RAM, which is quite good for multitasking. The gaming performance on this device would be a great. Means you can play PUBG, Fortnite, Call of Duty and other heavy games at maximum settings. If the game itself supports 120Hz frame rates, so you can play that game in 120Hz also. Talking about the haptic engine, Xiaomi has announced its 7th generation haptic engine, which will offer great in-hand haptics. So far, so good right now. Now let's talk about the battery. The battery is 5000 mAh, so it's good, it's impressive, and it is made up of lead polymer. You get a 55 watt wireless charger and a 120 watt wired charger. Xiaomi claims that the wired charger can charge from 0 to 100% this device in 23 minutes, which is really nice. The Mi 11 Pro is equipped with a Type-C, which offers a reverse wired charging. And considering to the back of the device, if you put any NFC device on it, it can also wirelessly charge the another device because the capable of reverse wireless charging too. Now let's talk about the user interface. The Mi 11 Pro runs at MIUI 12.5 out of the box, which is the latest MIUI upgrade you can still get. And Xiaomi claims that the device will receive update till 3 years. It's quite good. Seems to be promising, Xiaomi. Talking about the MIUI 12, it offers great user experience and the UI feels butterly smooth on 120Hz refresh rate. So guys, the Mi 11 Pro seems to be quite promising device at 50,000 price segment. So let's wait until it's officially announced for the upcoming dates. And yes, this is all I got for this video. Kindly subscribe for more such awesome content and hit that bell icon for upcoming updates. This is Utkarsh and you guys are watching Mr. Tech Sunny. Signing off.